Guys, impromptu lang to ha. Naisip ko lang, ang daming OFW ang kumikita abroad. Pero bakit marami pa rin ang nababaon sa utang? Ang dami kong kilala at mga katrabaho ko dati. Napaisip ako bigla, we always tell OFW mag-ipon, mag-invest. Pero saan nila matututunan yung mga ganun topic? Kasi hindi naman tayo pinalaki ng ganun. Ngayon naisip ko, what if companies with a large Filipino workforce started offering regular financial wellness seminar? And bakit kailangan itong pagtuunan ng pansin? Hindi lang ito tungkol sa budgeting but also debt management, emergency funds, investing basics, entrepreneurship, paano ka magkakaroon ng negosyo. Kasi lahat tayo may kakayanan. And planning for the future, imagine kung once every few months, instead na puro work training lang, about the business, about the company, may session na specifically designed for OFW Filipinos. Paano ko gagawin na hindi lang kumita sa abroad? Kung hindi nakakapag-build ka din ng something for your future. And I'm not saying companies should be responsible for every employee's finances. But if a company has hundreds or thousands of Filipino employees, why not create an opportunity for financial education? And maybe this is something OWA, companies, and private educators can work together on, because sometimes the problem isn't that OFW don't work hard. They work incredibly hard. That's why we are known in different parts of the world. Maybe they just need access to the right knowledge before the money they work so hard disappears. So I'm putting this question out there. Maybe may makakita nito, no? Kung may financial wellness seminar, ang company mo is specifically yung matututo kang mag-ipon, mag-prepare sa retirement mo, yung hindi ka magigising na pag umuwi ka na ng Pinas, wala palang naipon. A-attend ka ba? Naisip ko lang. Well, comment down below and follow for more if you wanted something like this.